Starting a workout routine can feel overwhelming. You might not know where to begin, what exercises to do, or how to stay motivated. In this video, I'll show you a simple, realistic way to start working out, even if you're a total beginner. Before we talk about exercises, let's talk about mindset. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to do too much, too fast. You don't need to become a fitness expert overnight. You just need to start small and stay consistent. Your goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Even 10 minutes a day is better than zero. Next, decide why you want to work out. Is it to lose weight, build muscle, feel more energetic, or just improve your health? Your goal will shape your routine, so keep it simple and realistic. There's no single best workout. The best one is the one you'll actually stick to. You can work out at home, at the gym, or outdoors. You can do body weight, weights, yoga, or cardio. Start with just 3 days per week. For example, Monday full body, Wednesday cardio, Friday full body. Each session can be 20 to 40 minutes. Focus on basic movements that work multiple muscles. Here are great beginner exercises: squats, push-ups, lunges, planks, jumping jacks, and walking. You don't need fancy equipment. Your body is enough. Motivation comes and goes. Systems are what keep you going. Pick a fixed time to work out. Lay out your clothes. Track your progress. And don't rely on motivation. Rely on habits. Don't train every day when you're just starting. Don't compare yourself to influencers. And don't quit after one bad week. Fitness is a long-term game. Starting a workout routine isn't about changing your life in one day. It's about making small changes you can maintain for years. Start today. Even 5 minutes counts.